Welcome to 5319 West Hoover Drive in Littleton, Colorado. This gorgeous home boasts over 3,700 square feet. It has 5 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms and has been completely updated throughout. It also lies in the highly sought-after Vintage Reserve neighborhood. Amenities include this gorgeous dine-in kitchen with waterfall granite countertops and stainless steel appliances. One-of-a-kind property offers peace and serenity with custom landscaping, amazing panoramic views, and plenty of indoor and outdoor entertaining space. I am Hillary Walsh. Welcome home.